So today we're wrapping up some details at Canadian Lakes. You'll see that the galvanized corrugated wainscot is in. We're starting to hang artwork throughout the space. We did have the opportunity to customize the artwork a little bit to add the Canadian Lakes branding to each of the boat pictures, which is really cool. You'll see the booth furniture has gone in, and then also the Maz tabletops, which have this really cool ombre from blue to kind of a champagne-y silver with a really strong acrylic coating on the top of them. We are getting ready to hang the sign that's in the entryway. It'll go up soon. It's 4 feet in diameter, and it's also got the galvanized corrugated look to it with acrylic, and then some vinyl rub down letters to add the logo to it.